Ready with me while I talk about trends / memes that don't make sense. One is 6'7". Does anyone know what 6'7" actually means or where it actually came from? Because I just heard it came from a song, but what's the meaning of it? So I half see the hype on this one, but Labubus, like, they are like somewhat cute if you look at them too hard, but how do they even get popular in the first place? But can someone please explain to me why Scooby-Doo toilet was a trend at one time? Like, who came up with a man in a toilet with random screens? Like, who came up with that? But why was makeup on 10-year-olds a trend at one point? Like, what? That does not make sense. Why was that a trend? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys somewhat agree with me about all my opinions. I love you guys. Bye.